March 25th, 2024, Palm Coast, Florida.
We're doing an investigation right now. Apparently somebody walked out with a
car. Put it in a random car?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was me.
Okay.
Deputies are called to a Walmart parking lot for what sounds like a simple shoplifting complaint. But as they walk up to Amber McCann's car, this minor theft call is about to turn into something much bigger.
Fun too. It's really fun.
Oh, going to jail is fun.
Okay. Well, I suppose. Am I going to jail?
Well, we'll see.
On this body cam, you'll see how a basic investigation turns into multiple felony charges. How a few questions lead to a vehicle search. And how stolen merchandise and controlled substances turn a routine stop into a full custodial arrest.
How you doing?
Fine, how are you?
Good.
Awesome.
So,
What's up?
okay, is this your car over here?
No.
All right, would you come over here with me?
Where?
Over in this lane.
For what?
So, we're doing an investigation right now. Apparently somebody walked out with a
Car. Put it in a random car?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was me.
Okay, would you come over by the car with us?
Whose car is it?
What do you mean?
Whose car is it?
I don't know.
Me neither.
Okay. All right. So where's all your stuff you took out of the store and
I just put it. I
in
put it in a random car that was open.
In a random car that was open?
Yeah.
For what?
What do you mean for what? Because y'all was coming.
Okay, so you just put all the stuff in a random car you didn't know?
Yeah, it's a game I was playing.
Okay.
Yeah.
What for?
Just for the hell of it.
Okay. You got any ID on you?
No.
All right.
I left it in the car.
Which car?
The random car. I don't know what car it was.
What color was it?
Silver,
Silver?
gray, something like that.
So you left your ID in some random car?
Yeah, my whole bag, all my shit.
All right, makes sense.
What kind of bag do you have? What kind of purse is it?
I think it's a Michael Kors. Can you please not stand behind me? Because you're making me nervous.
That's the whole time.
You were?
Yeah, he's in the car.
Well, I'll be damned. What was your question?
What kind of purse did you have?
It's a Michael Kors purse. Can you go get it for me?
Okay.
What kind of vehicle were you driving?
It's like gray or silver or something.
What kind of make? Model?
I don't know.
You have no idea what kind of car you were
No,
driving?
because y'all were coming and I just ran up to the car and put it on. It's a game that we play. It's called 21. It's basically like you go and steal all the shit that you can steal and then you get out without getting caught.
So
well, I did it one other time than this time, but I got caught this time. So now I got to figure out where my purse is and where my merchandise is because now I got to give all the merchandise back to Walmart.
Well, it's not really a game.
Yeah,
It is a game.
It's theft.
To you,
is what
that's
it is.
theft.
It's fun too. It's really fun.
Oh, going to jail is fun. Okay.
Well, I suppose. Am I going to jail?
Well, we'll see how much stuff you took.
It's a lot of shit.
So where's the car at?
It's real
I don't know.
Okay.
What's your name?
It's Amber.
Okay.
And I don't find it funny. I'm just very funny.
Okay. Is the car yours or are you renting it?
I don't know whose car it was.
So you
It's
just
just a random
It's just a regular car. Yeah, like if you walk up to this car.
Okay, how about
and
you don't?
You feel me? It's going to
No,
be open
I
or it's going to be closed. You never
All right.
know. You just got to try it out.
All right, go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me. What's wrong with your arm? Is it broken?
My
Or?
pinky is.
Okay.
Oh, wait a second.
All right, we'll get that. We'll get that.
We'll get
that.
that.
Do you have any leg shackles?
I have a
I don't
hobble.
need leg shackles.
Hey, I have a hobble. You do?
I was just trying to grab my phone.
We can do flex.
Yeah.
Y'all going to
Just
put me
for
in
now.
shackles? Are you fucking serious?
So you got a cast on your arm.
Exactly.
Regular
and I got
handcuffs.
scraped up knees too.
No one said
Okay.
they're going on your feet.
So what are y'all putting shackles on me for?
You got a cast on your arm.
Oh.
It's too big for regular handcuffs.
Oh, okay.
Look at that, flex cuffs.
So, just gonna stick these back here. All right, that's not too tight for you?
No.
All right, let's go over here for a second.
All right.
You got anything on you?
Is that my phone that just fell?
No, that was a stick.
No, I don't have anything on me.
Okay. So you're not under arrest right now.
All
You're just
right.
being secured so we can conduct our investigation.
Do you have anything else on you?
Like on you, in you,
I
anything
got my
like that?
Do you have anything that, say you do go to jail, that if you go into the jail and they find it on you later, is there anything like that?
No, a tampon that needs to be changed. You just asked me that question.
Well, you can keep that.
You're going to ask the same question.
All right, you said your name was Amber?
Yes, last name is McCann.
McCann?
Yeah.
2 C's?
Yes.
All right, can you spell it?
MCCANN.
You got a middle name, Amber?
D.
D?
Yeah.
All right, what's your birthday, dear?
1/14/94.
Okay, where are you out of, Florida?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm going to have you do, go ahead and spread your feet for me.
You live around here, Amber?
No, I do come out here sometimes though.
You don't live in Palm Coast at all? Okay. Those are my gloves.
Alright, you're not under arrest right now. You're being detained. Alright?
Alright.
Thank you, son.
So welcome.
You don't want a drink? No, I'm good. So we have a random car over there.
So,
You in for discussion?
can...
Give me a moment, I'm back.
My boyfriend's car,
It's your
but my
boyfriend's
boyfriend
car?
doesn't know that I steal.
Okay.
And he doesn't know that I put all this shit in the car neither.
Okay.
So I would be really in trouble with him, but that's the
So
thing.
what kind of car is it?
I don't remember because it's
What-
a rental.
what color?
We just got the rental car. What
I
color?
thought you said it was someone random's car.
Yeah, I know. I lied to you.
Her boyfriend rented
Hang
the car.
on. Yeah, he rented the car.
Okay. Hold on one
Hang on,
second.
real quick, before we go any further, okay?
She's just gonna
you
read you
have the right to
something, okay?
remain silent.
Okay, blah, 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 blah,
Well,
blah.
we still have to read it
through.
before
Okay,
we
go
can
ahead.
talk to you.
It's like music to my ears.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you
Okay,
while
blah,
you are
blah,
being
blah,
questioned.
blah, blah, blah.
If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be upon you to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand these rights as I have explained them to you?
Yeah.
Okay. You said yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, cool. So anyway, that's done. Like I was saying, yeah, that's my boyfriend's car. He rented the car, and he was shopping, and I had found all this shit that I wanted because they told me to play 21, and my
Okay.
boyfriend's older than me, so he doesn't play that shit. And I started playing the game. This is my first time playing the game, and I put the shit in the back of the car, and I saw you guys coming, so I walked off. My boyfriend knows nothing about it. I don't even know where the fuck he's at.
So he's here with you now?
Yeah. If I could call him, can I call him?
What's his name, real quick?
Matt.
Matt what?
Campbell.
Campbell?
Yeah.
Just like the soup?
Yeah.
Is it Matthew?
You can call him Matt.
Like
mean,
his full legal name?
What's his birth name? Matthew?
Yeah. Can you put one in? I got it. But yeah, he doesn't know anything about it.
No, I'm staying there.
Nope. I'm not getting out. I'm not getting out.
Right now, this is a detention, not an arrest. She is not free to leave, but she has not been formally arrested yet.
Is 35.
You know his number off the top of your head?
No, it's in my phone though.
Okay.
Can I call him?
Not right now.
Well, because I need to tell him I got in trouble.
Well, we'll worry about that in a second. But right now, I need to figure out how much dollars.
The suspect, Amber McCann, was charged with shoplifting, possession of controlled substances, and possession of stolen property.
I'm not going to prison. I gotta do